Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video we will be doing this little 4-leaf clover applique. It is approximately 1 inch square and I made it to fit this bear pattern using a number 4 yarn and a 3.75 millimeter hook. This video is for the clover applique only, but if you go and look underneath the video, I believe where the title is, and click more, it will take you to the description and you will find a link to the Rainbow Friends bear as well as a link to the accessories playlist where I will have the hat. Okay, grab your yarn and let's get started. Alright, we're going to begin with a knot with a loop on the end, as if you were going to start a chain, or you can use a slip knot, or however else you like to start. Insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull up, and you're going to chain 2. 1, 2. Then you're going to put 2 double crochets into the loop. So yarn over, into the loop, grab your yarn, pull up and through. You've got 3 loops on your hook. Grab your yarn, go through the first 2 loops, grab your yarn again, and go through the last 2 loops. So that's 1 double crochet, and then we're going to do 2 double crochets. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and then you're going to slip stitch into your loop. And there's 1 leaf. And you're just going to repeat that 3 more times. So chain 2, 1, 2, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch. That's 2 leaves done. And repeat that again. Chain 2, 1 and 2, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and chain 2, 1 and 2. Slip stitch down into your loop to finish off the 3rd leaf. And start again. 1, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and chain 2. Then you're going to slip stitch down into the center. And now we're going to chain 4 for the stem. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you're just going to tie that off, leaving however amount of a tail you need to sew that on, or whatever else you are going to be using this for. And there you go. If you like my videos or you want to be notified and see more of my videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you've seen anything in this video that you'd like to make, there's a tutorial available on my channel. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day and happy crocheting.